Wonderful lemon balm lotion made easy with the magical butter machine. Okay, now I started out boiling 2 cups of distilled water for 5 minutes. And then I took about, since I had dried my own lemon balm leaves, they're whole and not crushed, I used about a 1/4 cup of them. If you were using something that was already chopped, you would use about 3 tablespoons. I started out boiling 2 cups of distilled water for 5 to 10 minutes. I removed it from the heat. Then I added 1/4 cup of dried whole leaves or 3 tablespoons of chopped dried lemon balm leaves. I cover and let this steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Now I'm going to use my magical butter machine filter to strain these. Then I need 250 grams of tea. Okay, and you're not going to use all of it, but it's better to have too much and throw it away than to run out. And you can actually drink this, so it's not like it's a total waste. Okay, now I'm using recipe number 5 in my book, which means we're using 5 parts of our lemon balm tea. Okay, let's put our lemon balm tea in, our shea butter, our oil, and our e-wax. Our head on, we plug it in, set it for 160 degrees for 1 hour. Now we'll come back in an hour. Now this is my basic recipe from my book, Homemade Medicine and Lotions Made Easy Using the Magical Butter Machine. This is Body Butter Lotion number 5 on page 91. Now the phase 1 ingredients are 100 grams of oil, and I use lemon balm infused avocado oil, 50 grams of shea butter, 50 grams of emulsifying wax, 250 grams of lemon balm tea, and I processed it at 160 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. Now for the phase 2 ingredients, I use 4 grams of honey, 4 grams of vitamin E, 4 grams of lemon balm glycerin, which is optional if you did not make it, 5 grams of sorbic acid plus 2 PF, 4 grams of essential oil of Melissa, which is what lemon balm is called, and then I process it on the blend clean cycle. Magical butter machine is through. You can hear it beeping. I'm going to unplug it. Now I'm ready to add my additional ingredients, but I'm going to let this cool off for about 5 minutes before I add them. But I will start measuring weighing my other ingredients. Okay, now I have weighed up my ingredients, and I'm going to stir these in. Especially my honey, because I have found before when I have done this, I would find honey that had not been dissolved at the bottom of my pot. So I'm going to get that stirred in. Now I'm going to put the head back on. Plug it in, and I want to put it on the clean blend cycle. Now this will not add any heat to it, it will just stir it all together. Okay, it's beeping and let me know it's through, and now I'm ready to unplug it. And I'm ready to pour it into my clean sterilized jars. Okay, I have 2 of these 8-ounce jars, but I'm not going to cap on this. I'm going to wait till they completely cool. But in the meantime, I'll be cleaning up my magical butter machine. Now, if you missed my videos on how to make lemon balm glyceride or lemon balm infused oil, here are the links to those videos, but the recipes are also in my book, Homemade Medicine and Lotion Made Easy Using the Magical Butter Machine. Now, I will use my lemon balm lotion for skin irritations and inflammation, including for my women parts. It can also be used on your lips. I use it as a moisturizer, even though I do find it too heavy for the summertime. But I do have a recipe for a thinner lotion for summertime use. I use it for its uplifting aroma. And I was hoping it would help me sleep so I wouldn't need to take the lemon balm glyceride every night. But it really does not help me sleep, so I'm back to using my lemon balm glyceride. Okay, now this recipe is available on my book, Homemade Skincare Workbook on Amazon and Handmade from the Hive. But I also have a video link here that you can click on, that you can take a picture with your phone and click on it and go to it and see how to make it. This recipe will not work in the magical butter machine. And you might be an herbalist if you make homemade lotion. I'm Carolyn Gibson, herbalist on YouTube. Subscribe, share, and I always welcome your comments.